Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Zepp application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. On the profile page, you should see the list of my devices. Find the Amazfit Bip S Lite on this list and tap on it. And wait until the watch is done syncing with your iPhone. Once it's done, scroll down. Find the Unpair button. Tap on it. Tap on Unpair. Tap on Unpair to confirm, and then tap on Got it. The watch will disappear from the list of my devices. It will reset itself to the factory default settings. Now close the app on your iPhone, open the settings on iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the Bip S on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to Bip S Lite, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget, and then you can close the settings. And at this point the watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.